think that's it. Oh. Getting some kind of reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Clive's about to start Discord wars again. No?
Hey!
The old Discord wars.
You break the ice with this situation.
Yeah.
Oh, is that not what you were referring to? I thought you were getting some reaction.
Oh, no. Who? No.
My bad.
I'm just trying to get like some cute little entries on Biddy at these prices here.
Man.
I'm not sure
I'm
if
just
I'm gonna hold them.
I wish I had more money for silver. I'm almost about to sell some gold and buy some silver.
I'm not happy with myself today with my ETH position that I let go in the negative this much. I have to say, I'm going very against what I should be doing.
Oh wow, someone's already commented. What's up? We are live. You are very fast, my friend.
Oh no, we're live. Oops, I forgot about that.
That's alright. Hey.
Squat.
Alright.
Are we live in Britain? Can I call him a cunt? God damn it!
Okay,
I said
so we're live.
Hey.
We're live at 5. Here we go. Does that post?
He's good. He doesn't have an 18 and younger channel.
Okay. So what time is it there, Rick, right now?
It is 4:03
here.
a.m. 4:03 a.m.
Oh!
Whoops, I need to post it in the right places.
Well, the early bird gets the worm.
And
Let's go.
Well, you should have started streaming at midnight. Watch Bitcoin drop.
Yeah.
Oh, this is perfect, bro. This is good. This is good.
I'm just gonna bounce into the other Discord first, just to let them know that I'm live, and then I'll bounce back in.
Oh, great.
Yeah. I'll say I don't care where I am.
That's gonna work out
Just
real well.
going in here. I'm going in there.
While my dog is, what is he doing?
Actually, maybe I'll just let it be. They'll see.
Hey, that's a fantastic idea. We're going with that vibe these days.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be like, yo, I'm here, I'm there, and then it rustles everything.
Yeah, we're trying to get the numbers up over here right now.
No, that's not true, Matches. Just always, you gotta stop doing that, bro. You're gonna drive him nuts.
Why?
Because you're.
Can we not tell I'm being sarcastic? We know I'm sarcastic.
That's right.
Okay, so we're on this live feed right now. We're going to talk about some TA, I think. And I think that Rick has some TA that maybe.
We're fantastically at 75,000. So close to the threshold.
Oh yeah.
What do we need to get? We need to get lower than 74.6.
1975 is also my date of birth, just in case anybody's curious.
Nice.
In Australia.
And what was your first pet's name? Wiggles?
So Silver's had a rough couple of hours, but that's alright. It's still up off the low.
Silver's doing great.
Oh yeah, Qui-Gon got a good short on that.
I want to buy it.
Yeah, the next few hours will be kind of telling on that. I think. I've got a yellow line on Bitcoin down here, just to represent the line in the sand, basically, because that is that macro pivot low from April of last year, like the ETF crash. I mean, sorry, not ETF, the tariff crash. My bad. No, this yellow line is the high of 2024. The first half of 2024 when we went up to almost 74k, almost. At least on this chart, it didn't quite hit it. People got in front of it. Seven three 777. Yeah. Alright. This is not me giving TA or anything, I'm just recording the events of it possibly breaking down. Carry on. Me doing this might have jinxed it. No, just everyone.
What happened? Oh, what? You wanted us to talk? I was going to let you just...
No, I'm not doing a stream.
Check out Silver.
I'm just streaming the events.
Oh, you're streaming now? Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's just live, that's all. So we can...
Okay.
If it does break down, it's on the record. The record. I think the 1 minute chart or the 5 minutes probably good to track it, huh? So Silver's like getting a bit of a kickback there.
Silver?
Yep. Like right now.
Yeah. Like right now, it should be on an attempt of a tail on the 15 minute. I'm showing Qui-Gon in the other server.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I might actually get some here.
I'm
if it
sharing
fails through,
this...
I still think it'll hold above 81. You're sharing what? Your screen?
Just my screen in Discord as well. So it's YouTube and Discord both streaming this double screen.
Okay.
Just in case anyone...
There's your silver. There's your... What time frame is that? 5 minutes? Yeah. 15 minutes is a clear cat on it. So I'm going to try to get a long going on that soon. Maybe not just yet.
Though Sleeper says 60k LFG. Yeah, let's fucking go. Society Customs 60K. New Zealand says the factory floor is boring. We turn up for some excitement. That's fair enough, man.
Rick, this is Jay. This is insane, guys. We're doing this together all over again. Another time, another cycle. It's so weird. I just had the weirdest thought about last time we were dropping on Bitcoin, everybody being in the room talking about it. So bizarre.
Yes.
That's what it's all about.
Almost deja vu. It was a really cool feeling.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all in on Circle Stock, $54. Nice. Amid Tronics? I'll just call you Amid Tronics. What's up, dude?
Yeah, we got to get Viv in. He popped in last time you streamed.
Oh, there's 8 people already. I think that's like already eclipsed yesterday's numbers, and it's only been 8 minutes. Very good.
I mean, we can get more people.
Brother.
If I just start talking about cats, bro, it just comes in. Let's go.
There you go.
Who wants to talk about cats? I'm joking.
Money.
Still, ooh, okay, it's below 75. You know what? I'm gonna have to deposit some cash into Binance.
What are you on, KCX?
Nah, Bybit.
No, Bybit. Okay.
Bybit. Yeah, I don't have a KCX account. Not yet, anyway.
Fucking ETH. Not happy with you today, ETH.
Yeah, hell yeah. I am actually way down below my last buy, so that's chucking another little purchase. Wouldn't hurt. Maybe I'll just let it unfold a little.
Damn you, Silver. I cannot watch Silver do this without me. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Don't do it without me.
They call that FOMO.
I call it a backwards cat right ear up move.
Yep.
Take profit, get out, wait for the move back down, and then we'll see if it settles down on an equal low here. Not an equal low even. I mean, look. I put it in general. Check your range from like 78.9 to your 89. You have your test, scalp, retest, the whole body, the arc over, the sell off. Now you're on your 0.5. You had reactionary candle on the 5 minute. Your 15 minutes even more clear. So I would like silver to go above 85.4 at the moment and hold for a next leg up. I'll get out at 88. I don't care about the rest of the move. That'll be my take profit. And it's gonna get denied real quick if on the 1 minute if you don't do that. It's gonna be at the hammer there coming up.
Clean up some of this
Ooh,
TA
already
on
passed
here
it. Look at that.
so that people can see what the hell's going on. So that they can.
On
Just
Biddy?
so you know, Rick, you're clear enough, and I understand you. There was slight echo on your voice, just a smidge.
Oh, it could be because you're tuned in on either you're watching
The
my
stream.
YouTube stream or you're watching my screen through Discord as well.
Yeah,
I've got the volume
probably
up.
was. You're good. You're
Maybe.
good now. You're fine. It was probably that.
Okay. All
I'm on
good.
my cell phone now. It's fine.
Oh,
Too easy.
ETH dropping. What's Bitcoin at?
All right, let's go back down to the
74.8.
5 minute.
Ah! Silver climbing.
So let me just add
Bitcoin
text to
is-
these because I want to explain that this is the. So this
Where
is
is
the
my damn
April
Bitcoin
2025 low, and then this is the March 2024 high. Just for context.
You need to stop doing what you're doing though.
What do you mean?
You're about to miss a historical
Oh no, I
event
can see it.
right now. On the 1 minute? Slap that shit on the 1
Oh, I can.
Come
Well,
on,
I can
come
chuck it on the 1 minute. I just wanted to get those levels. Those levels. So we got
Bro,
these are the
20
two buffer
years,
zones.
I'm
Support.
selling my pennies for like $8 each.
That's right,
You've got a
Magic.
buffer zone at 74.5. That's previous April 2025 low on your chart. Yeah.
Yep.
And then
We got the
March
high.
2024 high.
Yeah, which is an older price, way older. It's like a year older.
Yeah.
So these are very important.
73.7.
We're gonna cut through it like butter, guys. We
Getting
think there's
bloody.
choice. Let's get it.
Oh my God.
We might. That's what they're trying to suggest, huh?
Yo, if
It's a
some
battle.
buffoon comes in with a big ass buy here,
Yep.
I wanna be in it for some reason.
Gonna be big, the guy. Oh, it
Just-
could be-
just-
it could
It's
be-
close.
Just for quick context for people that are wondering what the hell these are pivots that happened. If I go out on the daily and zoom out, let me stretch the chart a little. You can see this is what I mean by April low of last year, and this is what I mean by March high of the year before, 2024. This little point over here. All right, cool. We'll go back to the 1 minute. Because
And if you're wondering what the other noises are, it's just grown men watching
That's right.
going down. It's funny because there's no volume on the 5 minute pushing this move down. You can see the first volume candle came in, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles
on the
ago.
5 minute, you say. Right.
Yeah, it did kind of initiate, a move down, but it's not, there's no like real follow through on the volume there. And I know it's just a 5 minute, but
Things will get really crazy if it starts to break through these. If I'm thinking
you're
it's
so
quite-
close though, dude.
I think it's quite probable, but seeing is believing. Seeing is believing.
We're there.
We're
Let's
there.
go back to the
Moment
1
of
minute.
truth. The moment
It
of
is.
So
It's
what,
a-
we long it? I'm gonna fucking long the dip.
Or someone just
I don't
bought
care.
a bit.
Long,
That's me.
if we get the move
I just
down
did that. Let's
and
go.
then it accelerates, yeah.
You
That's
did.
me. I'm like taking credit for a Bitcoin candle. Yeah, right. I'm joking, but it is me that bought there. I'm buying. I'm starting to buy. I don't care. 74K drop below. I'll put a stop loss.
Yeah, I should really get my my buy ready to
Wink,
go.
wink. I've got a right wing up coming up, even if we drop. So I'm gonna be part of it.
Sweet.
Right wing up.
So YouTube's
We
let me just see. Let me just get back to
Oh my god, you gotta
YouTubes.
keep reminding me we're on YouTube, dude. I'm being an idiot.
Shark a
Hey,
let's see, it's kind of hard to dig out a kangaroo emoji. We just wicked the April low just right now. But I don't know, put a smiley face in the chat if you're buying this dip.
and add one for Turbo too.
I'll put a smiley face just to show you
Here it
what I mean
comes.
by
Here.
that. Yeah. It's like I'm running a channel for children. Put a smiley face in the chat.
Put a poo emoji if you're not.
That is kind of funny though. Like and subscribe for more.
Oh, you bastard. You see that on me?
Yeah, I see that reflection there. Yeah.
It does that. You see, it does that. And then it's like... get myself-
Clive H6I or H6L. Killing it on shorting silver, buying Nvidia. Expect silver sub 75 target. Don't expect it to break 90 today. Right on.
Aye,
Well, this might take a bit of
Kiki.
time to get this
Please love
breakdown.
me.
What would make my day, and I know it's very selfish,
So
is if we ended up with a
crashing.
15-minute chart. No, I mean, I don't think it's going to crash. I think we're going to stop on an angular here, which is going to go from, I think, slightly below, and 73.5 will hold. But let's say that it has that path. I'm expecting something a little bit off, which is a shot back to 82K today off this drop.
Mhm.
I know it sounds crazy, but let's just see what happens, okay? And how ridiculous that may be. We've seen it happen
We will
many,
find
many
out.
times.
Let's see.
Yeah, how much of a climb is that? 82 to 73, 9K? Yeah, no problem. Let's go. Let's go. Some algorithm's gonna hit here, bro. Coming up. Coming right up.
It's look at it trying to pull up on this April low. It's trying to like use that as some kind of an idea.
Either way, man, I'm still let's see, ETH is down. ETH is down at the moment. I think ETH is in the lead on this little race.
It's weird. It's
down.
weird how it's kind of like skimming along. It's not like rapidly. Usually when a support breaks, it's pretty dramatic, like it's an event, you know. But maybe that's to come. Maybe it's within the next 10 minutes it'll do something like that. It's currently
Check out ETH. Tell me what you think about
4:20.
that.
It's 4:20 a.m. in Australia right now. Yeah, I'll have a look at ETH.
ETH is more like hold my beer on the 15-minute.
A 15. Oh
Yeah.
shit. Yeah, that thing's not looking too bullish, is it? But You know what's even crazier? Look at this on the daily. If you're looking at my screen, it is on it's on the threatening side of loot. Like if it falls out the arse of this, what could be a falling wedge, that's gonna have to come up with a new idea for the.
Yeah, that's ETH at 2080. About 2080. If it falls out of there, I think it's gonna have a little support there, and then.
Well, that's a 2K level.
Oh, it's already dropping right now. We dropped.
Yeah, there's
74.3, 74.3.
There's not much space left at all. If it falls out of here, it's testing 2K, I think. It's the next logical sort of level. I don't think there's any... Oh, there is a major pivot over here from June of 2025. Yeah, this pivot down here, this low. But then the true low pivot is like 1,300. You know, 85, 1385. That would be quite crazy. And then the bear of 2022 went down to $881 for Ethereum. All right, I'll jump back to Bitcoin. Let me do that split view. I think that's a pretty good idea. Bitcoin's definitely
very hard to tell if we're losing it or not here.
Yeah, trying to take a bounce on Bitcoin. At least you have a local invalidation.
There's your move you need to see right there, right here into this order block, right here.
I have a bad feeling ETH is going to hit a perfect angular hit on the down if you just take those bottoms on the 5 minute. It looks almost too clear. 2085, little wick down to there. You're sitting below the scalp line. You're out of the box. I mean, everything is on the downside at the moment. But
look at that dropout.
Yeah, this is certainly not
I
looking...
want to buy.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be... Look, it's not the craziest thing. What's better, buying, like, the tops of a rip or the bottoms of a dump? Like, or, you know...
Well, I'm watching my ETH go down right now. So what am I going to do? Like, I may as well try to buy something much lower.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Like, okay, as a trade, like for a leverage trade, okay, don't just jump in to a raging torrent of candles. Like, obviously you have to wait for structure. But I think, in my opinion, if you have like spot of anything and it's dropping, it's like it's not a bad idea to buy it if you like the coin. Like if you like Bitcoin and it's dumping like this, buy it.
There's your break.
Not financial advice.
Now we are. Oh, sorry, Rick, talking to you.
That's all.
Now we are.
Last price. Oh,
broke
shit,
it.
I want to buy some of you.
Oh, T Black.
74.2.
Thank you, T Black, with the $5 super sticker. How's it going?
Congratulations.
It's going well, T Black.
T Black.
T Black
Is there
says
somewhere where you're not?
When Lambo, Rick. Oh, here we go. Come on, Biddy. Come
right
on.
now, motherfucker.
Right now, mother lover.
Fly
ETH
the
to 1400. Let's fucking go. All right. Come on. We just got that March high to go kill.
Dude, we're doing something huge here. This is
yeah, this could be pretty monumental. This could be wild.
So that angular on Bitcoin at the moment sits at 73,500. The same one as ETH at the moment. They are racing to it. I love it.
Yeah, they look like
ETH
cousins right now, brother and sister.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big brother Bitcoin,
There's a
little
test
sister.
retest,
ETH.
though. I have this feeling.
Yeah, this could be pretty monumental. This could be wild.
So that angular on Bitcoin at the moment, sits at 73,500. The same one as ETH at the moment. They are racing to it. I love it. Yeah. Big brother Bitcoin, little sister.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, let's see what March 2024 high does. Dude, look at it. It wicked the 74k level on Binance spot, so it's hit a low of 74,000. That's the big number. It's the big round number.
25x.
We got 11 people watching. Hey,
yo.
Hey,
Okay,
yo.
Montreal.
Am I talking too loud?
Don't let me not buy this. Don't let me not.
Are you looking for a trade, like a leverage, like a scalp thing?
I'm looking for a wick
Or a
here,
swing?
and I'm buying.
Okay.
Yeah, just a trade.
Just a trade.
Look.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
gotcha.
know me. Even if I try the
Yeah.
hardest to keep something that I buy, I don't. So
Sure.
who am I trying to fool?
Yeah, but Jay, we're gonna use that. You're gonna use that to your advantage, though, to get out of trades and profit. Though that's what we're gonna do.
Hell yeah. There
Hey,
is
for
no
real?
way this thing is
Yeah.
sitting in midair like this on a 5-minute. Look at it. What is it doing?
I know. I watched.
You know, it's not staying here, guys. I mean, come on.
Jay, the thing. Well, everybody that's in here, the thing about this is, we're coming down with velocity. We're hitting a target. We hit this same target twice already in the past couple days. That's the reason I'm kind of looking at this like, I don't know if it's going to bounce. We've been trying to bounce. You know what I mean? So, does our velocity send us down to another level here? Don't know.
I feel like I'm listening to a game that has a non-player character just hanging around. Where am I hearing that music from?
The background music.
Yeah, what is that? Is that
Oh no.
that's the YouTube? Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, it is Rick. That's a good one. Do you remember the last one he was playing back in the day? Buy the dip, buy the dip. Do you remember that? Oh, but the coin. But what are you doing, my friend?
You know, we topped. When we topped, we didn't top in euphoria this cycle. That is an interesting point that I've heard. So, do we bottom? You know, what does our bottoming look like? Do we have a lazy bottom also as we come down into the bear market because we had a lazy top?
Well, have you seen the ZZ top?
Oh, I love ZZ top, dude.
Nice. So, I feel like
love-
the most obvious is the diminished move down on the repeat pattern that we're doing. And as much as it looks like we have no grip on it at the moment, that's probably because of the numbers we're at. But put all that aside, you are on a right ear down on a 5-minute backwards cat. That's going to make no sense to people on YouTube. I'm sorry, just block your ears for a second. But that angular is probably going to get wicked at. The right ear is going to finish. It's going to come with an opposite fucking trade. And it's going to be, in my opinion, 84.5. This is your 0.5. This is where we're stopping. Recheck of 79.1. Fast if we don't go up to the number 82 that I mentioned. Then we'll drop again. Just the process. So I'm banking on that at the moment. It's like, I'm going to try to take a long around between 73.5 and where we're sitting at right now to try and catch that little
The 1 second just showed a bottoming pattern. It showed a flag, high or low. We're trying to break up right now on a 1 second. I don't buy it. I don't buy that though. I don't buy that that's the bottom. So what was that at 73,954? It's coming back down for it. Here we go.
I guess patience.
Yeah.
I've already done 2 in and outs in a loss of very close $1, which meaning I'm trying to get in to see if it pops, right? But I also am taking instant position out if it doesn't go. Something's going to react around these areas. There's just no way. You have previous highs like Rick is showing. That where we keep wicking right onto it. Actually, look at that. Look at his chart right now. Look at that on the 1 minute. They're testing it. They're trying to trigger shit right here. Whatever it is. Maybe it's algorithms. I don't know. Like all these probes, man. They're probes. They're just trying to ting, 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 ting. Oh,
There it goes.
breakthrough.
73,920.
Breakthrough.
Shit. There is not.
And
a major
remember,
trigger.
when you invert your chart, you are in a tail of a cat. Remember that. That's the beauty, is that USDT dominance at the moment is pitching a nice move right now, right?
Yeah.
That
Look at
shit's
it,
going
look at it.
straight up at the moment. Yeah. We're fried. That's it. Like I'm almost I've not gone back in yet this time. 2 out already, right?
Turbo.
Yo,
The only way I can short the market is if I'm completely out, correct?
if you're what?
No.
If I'm on spot, if I don't leverage trade.
Yeah, you get out your current position, you let it go down, you buy back the same amount lower for less money.
Yeah, I did that about
But
an
not,
hour.
but hold
Hour and a half.
on. Don't let
Out.
your total wallet amount is gonna drop when you do that. Huh?
I don't know. I don't look at it.
I know that's okay. So then that's not bad. That's good, in a way. That is very good. Because if you either wait for your coin to go all
It's
the
really
way back
good.
to where you came from, which can take months, or
Years.
you buy somewhere where it's at the floor now the same amount for way cheaper because you've been holding from a high number, and you gain the gains right away, but until it reaches the last point, that you bought at, which I don't know, 69, and now let's say it's 8, then you really didn't make back any money, right? You're still in a loss. You're just recuperating
Repositioning.
and repositioning. Yeah. If you believe everything is gonna go on a bull run or on another retest of highs, then you have your best chance of recuperating money if you go back on a coin that's gonna have volatility. It's like, forget the coin you were on.
30K, bro. Bitcoin. 30K. Crazy?
BTC.
Put 30,000 on Bitcoin.
No.
30K Bitcoin, you mean like, does it go to 30K?
Guys,
Bitcoin
hold
can
on.
go lower than 30K.
Here.
But don't let that scare you right now. There's no confirmation. Well, I mean, that's not
No, I'm not scared of shit.
funny thing is that I'm at a point where that 74K, 73K is no longer gonna be that area of like a pop. Look, I'm gonna put something in general, okay? you'll see the picture I'm talking about. You've seen the way I chart. So this is the dilemma at the moment. We are literally on a backwards Elliott wave, which is that cat, correct? So if I do this right now and I put this in general, you're going to see that we're completing that pattern right now. Usually it ends up at worst, which would be pretty bad. But
Jason, we're finishing off this move here, and we're gonna have your wick dump coming up in about 5 minutes.
oh yeah,
Yeah, it just did this final. It's doing out this final cat. It's at 73,970, and we're gonna get a wick candle out of this, and that's the one we need to buy. It's not gonna be a lazy bottom like this, I don't think. Mind you, I am on the 1 second chart, so please forgive me for my sins.
I'm on the 1 minute right now on my trading chart, and I'm on the 15 minute on my my trading view, and I can't unsee what I'm seeing. That's the problem. It's been months, right?
Yep. Jay, you're
so
going.
now we're there.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know what to say. Like, I don't want to guide people the wrong way, but if I had to look at Bitcoin right now, it looks like it's absolutely shit itself. Okay, but I personally had a target, which was when it hits this area, I need to make a serious decision. You know, I either clench my butt cheeks, put a stop loss, and believe that we're going to just wick and have an absorption of the price and just go right back up. Or look, we have the other version. We're already in a crash cat. We've already dropped below the lows. Not a good scenario to be in, but a great area for Bitcoin to fuck people. Like, yo, psych, just like the last one it did. We pointed it out. Hold on. Right here between the 10th of March 2025 and the 7th of April 2025 on the 4 hour. You have this crash cat move, you're going down levels, everything looks great, you're breaking bear flags, you're going down, and then just on that angular, out of butt freak nowhere, we went right back into a run and went into a freaking bull run again. Like, no joke, we went and broke all-time highs. We stopped at 74K and we went up. And now we're on that same pattern. And we're back at 74K. I'm just wondering, do I pull the trigger or not? I'm truly trend says down. You don't want to you don't want to trade against the trend. Trend says down. My gut says turbo.
Trend says down, but trend says bounce.
Yeah, my gut says turbo. Don't be a freaking idiot.
Oh my God. Ooh.
Buy the fucking dip. So I'm going to take a small entry on Bitcoin. Very small. Play with that. Take a rebound. Not commit. And wait. I don't know what else to say, man. I'm not putting my
You said it all, man.
I'm not putting my ass on the line. No, I mean, I'm ready. I'm not ready to put my ass on the line right where we're at. Much more difficult when there's no reaction at that number.
On the line.
Okay, it's much more difficult. What happened? What?
Oh yeah, all right. So you're gonna have to ask him if he ever met up with Big Gay Al.
Wow, was Al a big gay guy?
Is he there?
Just
can go
just
meet him.
save that one. Just save that one.
Figure it out.
In the next week or two, just ask him about it.
Okay. Well,
It'll be fun.
I will. I don't know what's going on in the Discord right now. I'm just glued to the chart, dude. I'm like trying to.
I know. Just forget about it for now, but remember to ask him at some point. It'll be a fun time when there's nothing going on.
We're trying to make all the money right now. Matches.
Yeah.
All of it. It's all
Like
on the
trend is
table.
your friend. It looks like shit. We got that. We know. So it's either a counter trade it for a rebound, which I feel like it's sitting in the middle of nowhere right now. Just above that previous high. It's not really the middle of nowhere, but the way, like I'm saying, when you look at it naked on the chart. But it's probably going to be more profitable just to take a quick short and get the fuck out. Honestly. For me, at the moment.
We got to start breaking it down right here for that short.
Well, I think you're going to break it down regardless. That right ear down that we're doing is just straight down on the 15 minute.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Yeah. She's a beaut.
That's what I mean, dude. It's so straight down. It's been going and 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 going.
We
It's
mentioned
good.
it's going.
Can you hear me now?
It just
Yep.
gives you better, yes sir. It just gives you better validity on taking small trades. Like, okay,
There
let's
it
take
goes.
like,
Just let go. Let go again. Ooh, a little buy came in right away though on that let go. That was cool.
You know what I noticed is that every time I make bigger moves with bigger amounts of money, it always goes bad.
yeah.
Me too.
I like to
Always.
accumulate more. Small moves, small moves, small moves. Dude, I'm telling you, it's the way to go, man, in these markets, in my opinion.
You
I've
have
always said
to.
it. I can be
you have to
wrong on
stay
the
with
high
what
time
works
frame
for you.
over and over, but I'm still making money on the small time frames. You know what I mean? Be a chameleon, man. Up, down, sideways. As long as it doesn't stop, you're happy. It's really the truth. As long as the chart's moving, you're good. It's when it doesn't move that you sit here biting your nails and you're like, "Fuck me, man. Did I
Yep.
take the wrong move? Did I take the wrong goddamn move?"
73,850, 73,840. What the heck? It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Come on. Please do it. Do the move. Do the move. Do the thing. Rick, wake up.
I can't believe. Look, you got to admit when you got to admit. You see, even if I end up wrong this year, I'm not caught in the move. How much of a fucking right? I've been making
Rick,
money on the move.
The move. Yay, the move.
You do grow. You do. I gotta get off the 15 minutes. Shit, bro. Hold on. Come on, y'all are killing me with your 1 minute charts, dude.
It's taking out the low. Let's go.
Get dipping, boys.
Oh my God.
Was that the low? Did we break it?
Hell yeah. Well, this area.
We
we're
need
crushing.
some music or something. Oh, we did just break it. Where's the? Come on, guys. Where's the music?
Manipulation is real. Manipulation is real.
God damn.
The manipulation is real.
Michael Saylor's Bitcoin's at 76,000, right?
Dippity dip.
Ooh, he's gonna get licked this time around. The smart move would be to sell.
Oh,
I just fucked Doge up, y'all. Hey.
It's Doja.
Hey,
I'm gonna start laughing now. I'm allowed.
What? Nah, I just in and out.
Oh, Doja's holding.
I don't give a fuck. In and out. It doesn't even have to move with leverage. You can just go in and out. It's fucking great. Here you go. Within 4 minutes. Bam, bam, bam.
It's letting go a little. It's letting go a little. I see 73.3 on the letting go a little meter.
Don't let me go, 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 go. Yeah.
Clive, are you
Rah!
okay?
Why is
Hey,
5
Clivorous.
not okay?
No, I'm just a little friendly back and forth, Mr. It's never going to 70. He's,
Oh, look at this.
Gabe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you just gotta know when you're wrong, bro. It feels good. It's okay. I've told you guys that a million times. Just take example with me. It feels fine. We can let Static be the best trader in the world.
He
As long
is,
as we
actually.
get the best entries, we're good. Let's go.
One day I'll be wrong too. One day.
One day
no,
you'll be
dude.
wrong too. Exactly.
Can I be mentored by Turbo and Static?
Until then, I accept
I mean-
all $100 bets anybody wants to throw my way.
$1,200 bet
just make a living.
For what?
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
No, dude, betting. Let's bet. $1,200 for
It's
what?
because usually I'm looking at the voice chat to see whose thing is lighting up, but I'm not now, so I may overtalk you a lot, but I don't mean to. I'm just excited. I'm excited. There's money to be made. For fuck's sake, guys! Like, this is great. Seriously, and I don't know at this point what I want to do.
Who the
I'm
fuck
too
muted
excited.
me?
I want to break free.
I can't believe it. Can't believe it. It's
My ETH is getting a little bit of a. That's supposed to be a accumulation that I'm trying to do here on a $20 entry on 50x on ETH, and it's getting a little bit killed at the moment, but very manageable. I'm at 0.4, so half,
Yeah, this
almost.
This is
margin.
beautiful, man. We're under all of it. We're under 74k, under the March high, under the April low. What's next, man? What is next? What's the big checkpoint?
question.
Oh,
Shit.
Static! You took responsibility. You gotta tell us now.
What's that?
What's the
Where are we
next
going
big
today?
checkpoint?
Do you know?
On what?
Small time.
Bitcoin?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bitcoin.
What's your landing
Oh,
spot?
I haven't even
got
looked at
one?
Bitcoin today.
Yeah, I haven't even shared for that either.
Bitcoin.
Question.
Let me do
Question.
a fib. Yeah.
How do I find out if Match has muted me again?
I have no idea, man.
I could tell you,
Thank you.
but there's no
You-
point.
Do you have any idea, YouTube, how to do that?
I don't want to know. I need to know.
Channel the energy, my friend.
Oh,
Channel.
it's channeled, baby. It
Channel.
is.
It's channeled, baby.
I'm not. I don't unchannel.
Oh,
So
We are on YouTube. Namaste.
so for this leg of the run, it's just broken through the golden pocket and it's heading toward the 786 fib level, which is 65.5. And then from
Where's
there,
Trago?
yeah,
Lower low.
yeah. I mean, this is Trago's. Yeah, that's his threshold, right? That's
Line
the
in
line
the
in the
sand.
sand,
Fuck you
right?
and fuck you.
Mhm.
Who's next?
Yeah.
I don't want to piss off
Um,
anybody, but the macro cat is still valid. We're just on the bigger one now. That's the beauty of it.
Right on.
Bravo. So where
And
do we
then
land
there's-
on this? What's that chart right there, toppers? Sorry, Rick. Sorry.
That's all right.
Go
No,
ahead, bud.
no. It's all right. 48k is a.
Here we go, toppers.
I know that's deep, but I'm just trying to find like what is reasonable to like what pivots, what big macro pivots in the past.
Toppers
Mhm.
has it. He's
Yeah.
taking the
I
next
have a line
whole
at
range.
48K.
Look at that.
I have a line at 48K that says never longing again.
Oh,
I like it. I'm gonna write I
well,
like it.
I've got the
Sir.
1-to-1 fib too.
I like
Stand by somewhere.
Yeah, do the one to do the big one. Don't take the pivots that I did. But
No, I'm
like,
just doing
if you
the
just do
the FIB extension tool. Like, so that leg
from
there,
where? 15.4?
hold back to here. No, 126,000.
Oh,
Hold down to 80k, back up to 98k, which was the bounce, and then it projects levels like into the, you know, down here. So the 1-to-1 is 52k, 52.3. So that's
so
like,
we're over the hump. We're even
Yeah,
below
it's-
previous highs right here.
and there
So
is a
theoretically, if we did, oh sorry,
Oh no,
Go
no,
ahead.
that's all right. You go. We got delay. That's why it's
44.4.
difficult.
on that move.
D Johnny says, Rick, are we in a bear market or is this just a very healthy retrace? So I think anyone you ask is going to have a different answer, but in my opinion, yes, we're in a bear market, and we have been in a bear market for some time now. Let me show you why. At least in this context, on the weekly
Because I
chart,
said so.
and and if I get the 50 simple moving average is a pretty good way to frame whether something's bullish or bearish. So if you're riding the 50 and holding support on 50, that's a bull market. If you lose it and get under it, that's the beginnings of a bear market. So we did that. Well, we wicked through it 91 days ago, so 3 months basically. 13 weeks. So I would say that's when it happened. That was like a big deal. Getting below 100k pretty much. If you want to pick a price level, getting back under 100, but yeah, I do like this way to sort of frame it. Also, the 200 daily is another moving average that people track. The problem with that is that it dips below the 200 daily often in a bull market. Like, it happens, at least in the one we just had. There's been a few moments where we've actually gone under it. See that shit? All right. But yeah, hopefully that answers your question.
I want to be that guy, bro. Can I
That
be
does
that guy?
what?
That just says, "See you at the top, motherfuckers."
All right. Yeah.
But be wrong, and it's okay because it doesn't matter anymore,
Yeah,
right?
it really doesn't matter.
Who's
doesn't matter.
really listening to me, anyways?
Being wrong only matters if you're trading it, and you didn't have a stop loss, like something like that. That's when it matters. But this is why we have stop losses. Do professionals do the best traders in the world use stop losses?
Yeah.
Of course they do. Do they get stopped out often? Probably. So it's like, okay, they're getting it wrong.
To be fair, I'm
but they're
not
the
in a
best in the
trade.
world. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm
I'm gonna take it anyways, just to.
Yeah, look at that, man. Straight down.
Be 76 down to 48. I mean, it's so close if you really look at it on a daily. I've been through way worse.
We all have, yeah.
I bought in the last bear run. I bought 52k, wrote it down to 24k until Bitcoin decided on Binance. Remember the BNB coin?
Yeah.
It came down with the biggest wick on the chart. Carried my name on it. Turbo.
Real nasty.
Yeah. And then I went to 6k.
There was a trend line that I was. There's a trend line I have on Bitcoin here. It links that point, this point, and then this point over here up, and we're approaching it right now to see
Here I come.
if it gets a reaction or whether it crashes through it. I don't know
We
yet.
don't react.
Here I go again on my own.
I'm a very unserious, serious type of guy, you know.
Serious.
Waking up.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna just drop everything I believe in right away.
I believe.
You know, oh mate.
I do know what you mean. So what?
There's a process to the cat's ass down. It's a 2-step down, bottom of
Understood.
the cat, right wing up, right. The whole process. We were just kind of asking ourselves, are we going to sweep the lows first or not? But no, I'm not going to put a big position in this at all because that would be crazy. I wouldn't sleep at night.
Yeah, this is a good day. Love it.
I wish I could be.
Go back to that split view.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's just gonna be the bleed. It's weird how it's just kind of like gradually moving through it. It's not like crashing down. Like it's not like people are panic selling. You know what I mean? It doesn't feel like that kind of a fall. It's just slowly working its way down. Yo, dirty.
Rick, if Michael Saylor panic sells were fucked.
I don't, dude. That's the thing. He doesn't panic. He's got plans to buy from here down to $1. You know what I mean? He doesn't.
No,
care.
he didn't.
Yeah,
He almost got licked last time.
Well, at the position he was at, but then he didn't.
Yeah, what's the case
it
now?
Still went to his number.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Remember, he is strategy. I'm sure he's got a strategy if it goes down. He wouldn't be in control of all of that money and all that Bitcoin if he didn't have a plan to the downside. I mean, that would be the most ridiculous thing, not to have contingencies if it goes lower.
He is underwater. And now he's even more underwater.
Yeah.
He's underwater.
Is that the end of the world for an investor?
No, Clive, he's a
it's not the end of
genius.
the world.
No, he's more underwater.
He's a genius and he'll never be underwater.
How do I change my screen on?
The fact it's
OBS.
slowly going down is probably the worst sign we could have. I've been out of BTC for months. I dabbled in it in November and then I abandoned it.
Me too, Clive.
No, you're waiting until it gets to 123 before you buy more. We know.
Dabbled in it.
Yeah,
He dabbled in it November 4th at 9:32 a.m. and he was out November 4th at 9:34 a.m.
That's good. That's his.
Mayor Saylor. Yeah, around November. It was. I got out just before you did in October, and then I didn't play with it until a little bit in November, and then I was like, nah, I don't like what Trump's doing, and I don't think the world is moving towards this as a currency for now. Other things need stabilized. Over.
I used to do that. I used to feel the same way, Clive, away from side. But this money is so easy to be getting. So I
understand trading is one thing. I don't like to trade things I don't believe in.
I understand, but
I'll short if something is overvalued, like I think silver is at this point. But I do believe that I believe in it. I just think it's overpriced. But I don't like to trade things I don't know too much about or have no, I don't value it. Example, GMC, AMC, Tilray.
Same with me. Same shit on me. It's a fear, I think.
It is. It is.
Okay. Well,
go ahead. Over.
That's fair. It's all good. You don't have to like it. No one's forcing you to do anything. So for those that do like Bitcoin, though, that's why we're here. Sure. That's why we're talking about it.
Yep.
Crypto is very tradable. Very tradable. Makes people lots of money. I know you saw that article about the Chinese counterfeit gold that's getting sold, like apparently billions of dollars worth of it, at least millions.
They've been doing that for centuries. The tungsten deal in the 80s and 90s. Wall Street.
Yeah, I read that.
Of the huge billions of dollars worth of their gold reserves had tungsten in them, carbonized tungsten.
So already that's a merit that Bitcoin has over gold, as far as you cannot counterfeit Bitcoin. You cannot get false Bitcoin on the blockchain.
Not yet.
Not yet. Well,
did you see what I said, Ray?
What'd you say?
The 9 carat.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of, they've been selling 9. There's no 9. Nobody stamps 9K.
That's amateur hour. It's amateur hour. Come on. Tungsten was so bad, you had to melt the bars to find it. You couldn't just open it up or cut it. You had to melt the bars to see the tungsten. Same atomic weight. It's gold.
Hey, is Rick still here?
Alright.
Yo, yeah, I'm running a stream in here. You're on YouTube. What's up?
Can you just jump down and jump over with your mobile real quick? I just have a quick question.
Yeah, sure. Okay, won't be a sec.
Thanks.
Well,
So my page wasn't extended on my Discord, and I could not find my unmute, man. And just Just the only thing missing is the bottom of the Discord. Where the hell did it go? I realized. Here we are. Okay, well, now that I found that, I'm going to mute myself. Okay. That was a nice little reaction here. 1 minute trade. We are up on a 25x, 29%. Let's go. That's right. Is anybody still in this Discord, or like what's going on? We talking? We're not talking? We live? We're not live?
I'm still here.
Hello. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, good trade, Turbo. $32%, 33%. Let's go. I'm gonna take that actually.
You know, crypto bubbles has BTC at 77,000. Green candle go to 77,000 right now.
Oh really? Ooh, 42%, 44%. Oh, dude, what a trade! This is great. This is a great trade. This is a very good trade. Very happy with that. I am actually gonna take that profit right here, because that is really good. Hell yeah. So position close on that one, and then we will rinse and repeat. Perfect. Each $1,000. Let's go. No, I didn't make 1,000. I'm saying each 1,000 on Bitcoin. This music is really putting me to sleep. Where's this stream thing? So we're waiting for a reaction. It's not huge, but it's a good one. Trade came in. Very nice.
Turbo.
Yeah.
Look in general, yo. Look at what I was talking about with the crypto bubbles and BTC.
Okay. Let me get back.
Yo. Let's just get my coffee. Morning coffee.
Yo.
Have I missed anything? Is it trying to
Oh
bounce
yeah.
back? Yeah.
Yes, you did. Bitcoin's back at 74,580.
There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Little
So
higher.
there was a trade.
Yeah,
There was a trade in
74.9
there.
hit. It's bleeding out again right now locally.
Okay.
Yeah, and your ETH hit 2,186 over here. So yes, there was a reaction. I got a super nice trade off of it.
Oh,
Very
beautiful.
happy. Yes.
Excellent.
I closed it and right on the money. So I'm very happy with that.
There you go. Excellent.
Yeah, man. It can't always happen that well.
Just gonna give a shout out in my YouTubes right now that Fly's live on his channel as well. So he's just started a live up. Check it out.
Yeah.
I shared the link to his YouTube channel yesterday, if anyone thought that. But yeah.
Very good.
Gonna be doing his TA and whatnot.
Very good.
But yeah, good time. There's a lot of people that would be like wanting to look for live streams, I would imagine, because this is like a pretty important kind of a pivotal moment in the chart, in the price.
Yep.
Like a make or break level.
You see that
It's
shit?
clinging on, man.
No, I haven't had a chance. Hold on, bro.
Oh,
Sorry.
no,
I'm
you good.
not even in my general.
You
For
good, bro.
some
You
reason.
good. Don't worry about it. I just thought it was odd.
Where is it? Oh, crypto bubbles.
You see that?
Oh,
It says
hell.
87,000.
Yep. Yep. I don't know. Maybe it's just delayed. I'll tell you what, though. I won't tell you nothing. Oh, did I? Okay, I see what's going on. All right, so they went back in there for Quai's live. I'm in here with you for your live. And I got my live doing my live without nobody knowing my live is live. But now you know it's live with all your lives.
Oh, are you YouTube live, are you?
I mean, I'm just doing it because I really,
nice.
I don't need attention for it. I'm just doing it.
No. I gotcha. That's
You know
cool.
what I mean? Just
You may as well have it on record.
Incognito. Yeah, type of thing. I thought it was kind of cool number.
Yeah, it is cool. It is cool to get those historic moments. I've still got my 100K streams up, like my breaking 69,000 stream, all those kind of streams.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I'm just looking at a chart now.
Isn't that
Walked back
beautiful?
through the door. Yeah, beautiful.
Now, if you must know, I was looking at it on your screen. Okay. Truth be
Yeah.
told,
All right.
I saw it on
There you
my
go.
right eye, going, "Oh shit, is Bitcoin climbing?" And then it was like,
There's a
"Oh,
V shape. Yeah, V.
beauty."
That's cool.
BTC above 75K. Fuck, that was great. I'm on my second trade, 11.63% up, same entry, same amount. And I will sell every red candle. I don't care. I'm in accumulation mode here. Profit. Here we go.
Beautiful dip.
Got some chips for that dip.
That's a nice reaction. Very nice.
Well, we're waiting for that. Very happy that we got something. Right wing up. I said around 82K today if we were going to have this massive move on a right wing up. No, I don't know. That's
Like a 7K pop, it could.
Well, we already, so we only did one. I'm going to be right back. I got to go get Rocky
good.
Boy outside. Yeah.
Big rock. Hmm. 5 minute, we'll track it on there. Now, is this just a dead cat bounce or some kind of a knife, or will it spark a brand new, like, 2-week rally to the upside? Who knows? Who knows? me get back to my main frame.
There we go. All right. Back on the computer. So, where did that go to? 75.3? Pretty much, just under, for now. It's quite a violent bounce. Very, tempted to chuck a buy at it, but I don't want to FOMO. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to impulse it.
I did, Rick.
Yeah, I do. I feel like it's
today.
Yeah. Maybe I should just out of principle, you know what I mean? Try to I get this cost average position line to come down a little bit. If I bought here.
Cancel Vault Wealth Management on Chain.
The hell was that? That was my app. I opened up my Bybit app and it had an ad with a voice as I opened the app. Very weird. Alright. It's my buy crypto screen. Yeah, I'm just gonna trickle in the same amount as I did last time. I do feel if I hold off for a little bit, I think this will. My opinion is that we continue down overall, like on the higher time frame. Like, you know, if you look.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a rocket back up into the high 70s. I don't know, man. I'm not convinced.
Look, I just need to know.
Yeah.
When y'all are starting to agree with 18,000, because that is the bottomish.
Yeah, 18k, you reckon? I would love 18k, man. Bring it on.
I have a do not long ever again line at 48k because Kwai freaked out during that consolidation.
Oh.
And so I expect to bounce around there. Followed by total crushing hopes.
Huh?
And then I think, yeah, 28 to 18, you should be buying. And it's crazy because between 30 and 20, that's a 33% drop.
Well, this stream hit a peak of 18 people about 15 minutes ago. That's pretty good.
Did I kill it? My bad.
No, that's good. It'll if I stay live, I think it'll start climbing again, especially if I'm here talking. and sharing ideas, projecting ideas about where I think it's gonna go. Now, what is...
What are you off? You off today, Rick?
Yeah, man. Yeah, baby.
That's dope.
Yeah, it's good. I love it.
You went to the gym already?
Not yet. No, my legs are starting to hurt from yesterday. But I'm gonna do arms and chest and all that tonight. Definitely tonight. Do that.
You're about to be buff, son.
I hope so. That'd be great.
Then you come to America buff with the Australian accent, and you get all the ladies.
It'd be nice if it worked like that. I'll report back. I'll let you know. It does work like that.
It does.
That's how it works, isn't it?
You put on a fucking sailor outfit and walk down near the port, and yeah, girls fucking hit on you.
All right.
You have an Australian accent from some other country, girls fucking hit on you.
From some other country.
Show up in a sailor's outfit.
Oh,
a little hat and everything.
Isn't that stolen valor? Or you just mean a regular sailor? Like,
I don't know.
You don't mean a naval officer?
Well, I mean, I don't mean a decorated officer. I mean, just like put on a blue blazer, a white shirt, and fucking blue pants. Navy blue, preferably.
A Michael sailor? Says D Johnny. Yeah, now that's my kind of sailor. I'm sure he'd pull anyone. What's Michael Saylor doing right now? Do you think he's watching a chart? Do you think he watches? Do you think he watches charts at all? Surely he checks them. He would be checking them.
He buys every Sunday, I think, at a certain time. So.
Yeah.
He sees it once a week.
I would love to know the reality. Okay, does Trump look at charts of crypto? Does Elon Musk look at charts? How often does Michael Saylor look at charts? Saylor would definitely be checking.
Trump is not looking at crypto charts.
Yeah, probably not.
100% not. I think he has bigger problems.
Well, I mean, he's the crypto president, isn't he?
His sons are on top of that shit, though.
Oh yeah, his sons would definitely be locked in on the charts, I would say, because they're all about Ethereum and Bitcoin and all that.
And they got the financial shit.
I'd say they'd just be like collecting reports on the people in charge of those agencies and stuff. They wouldn't actually be looking at the charts. They'd be making their own charts on ZZ and all these other people and when to buy their coin or sell their coin. You know, when they're going to arrest them, and it's probably a good time to buy now.
Mm-hmm. What about Barron? Do you think Barron trades? Barron Trump. Is he old enough to trade? Is there an age limit on trading?
I think pretty sure he's the reason his dad got in the Trump coin.
There you go. Oh, so he's 19 years old. Right on.
Isn't he like 6'5"?
What a dip.
I think yeah,
What a dip, what a rip.
He's very tall. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at this bounce back.
Got a lot of
Damn.
background noise.
Are you out at a bar, Isaac? Sounds like he's at a bar or something. Well, throw up some kind of message in the chat, YouTubes, if you bought that dip, or you're buying, or you're planning to buy while it's down here near 75, 74. And let me chuck up a poll just for fun. Where
am I?
Always fun to chuck up a poll, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always fun. Where is Bitcoin going? Okay, I'll put in up from here and then down from here as options. Cast your votes. This is in my YouTube chat, side chat thing.
To win
YouTubes.
$1 million.
Where is Bitcoin going?
Now,
Up from
when
here,
you say
from
down from here and it goes up $3,000 and then drops 10, does that count? Or is that still an up from here?
It's like a magnet for him.
Yeah, I mean, look, the way I would say to think of it is have we seen a bounce point, and that would be the up from here vote, or are we going down lower than the low we put in just now? Like for the over the next, like, say 24, 48 hours, like, are we still going down, or are we bouncing for good? Not for good, but like longer term, like a couple of days.
Like we're speaking different languages. You're saying time and I'm saying price.
Yeah, well, sure. Okay, from here, let's I'll give you a bit of definition.
We are going to bounce, but it is still going down, motherfucker.
Let's say 73,500. It has bounced since then, but will we continue going up now, or are we heading back down to make new lows again? So that's the down or up distinction.
I have to look at the new monthly. But
So
my
far-
original thought was that it could retrace up to 87, but if we've already broken lows,
Yeah, we got 4 votes already. 75% of people think we're going up from here.
so we are going to test 87 from the far side.
Yeah. We've got Turbs Kiyoshi 946 saying up. Is that you, Turbo? Turbs. There's a guy called Turbs in the chat. Turbo.
Tubbs.
We got 12 people viewing. You guys are great. You guys are spectacular. See, these people, if you're tuning in, if you're still looking at crypto at the moment, you are the people that take advantage of the bear market and actually buy and open positions down lower. Because 95% of the crowd aren't even here. They're not even looking. You know what I mean? And they're the people that come in late and buy tops, and, you know, they come in the pick up the breadcrumbs of the rally.
I'm not buying Bitcoin until it's 125,000.
Yeah, that kind of vibe. Exactly. So well done to you guys. That's all I'm saying. Very well done there.
Somebody brushing their teeth.
But not me though. I didn't get a good job.
Yeah, well, you got to have a job to get the money to buy the cryptos.
No, I did a terrible job with crypto this time.
Oh, that's all right, dude. You're not gonna nail it first cycle.
It's okay. I'll give you the cheat sheet next cycle. Can you wait 3 years?
Yep.
All right, so we got, what, 8 months left?
Thank you.
So generally, if 8 months tends to be the very bottom from now, month 6 and 7, you should see it start testing the bottom. So by month 8 or 9, it'll have hit full on bottom, started to turn around, and by month 12 or 13, you'll have a confirmed uptrend where you missed the bottom.
I don't know if YouTube works like this, but I just want to see if we can get Kwai's live stream views above, because I've got 12, he's got 4 people watching his stream. Try to get his numbers bumped up a little bit and see if it helps to get further, you know.
I'm such a dick. Do you think we can get up to 14 or 15 and him down to 2?
No. You can have 2 tabs open, maybe. Or like view off your phone or something, I don't know. I'm gonna watch it off my phone, his stream. I wanna see
don't
if
even
it
dislike
bumps
the
the
kid.
number.
I just
Yeah, you're just a what do you call it? You're an anarchist.
Yeah, that'll work.
What's his YouTube channel, Rick?
His YouTube's is Qui-Gon Jinn, all one word. I'll copy it. I'll post it in Turbo's General. Right there. That is Qui-Gon's live right now.
I don't even think he likes Jin.
So what are we thinking now that we're getting a few more minutes of price activity? Do you think it's so hard to tell, like on the 5-minute chart, like whether this is gonna just round out and then continue down, or whether this is the bounce point? You know what I mean? But, you know, nothing's more concrete than the candles that print. You know what I mean? So it's like, well, we just have to see.
I think we might have lost you, right?
No, I'm here.
Oh, something changed.
Yeah, I don't know. Couldn't tell ya. Well, this thing is continuing to hold, so the up crowd may win. At least locally speaking. How long that lasts?
Crowd now.
The up crowd. How long that lasts? I don't know, man. So Turbo, you've got a nice target of, it was 84, right?
82-ish.
Oh, 82-ish.
Again, I'm already out my second position. So.
Oh yeah. Look at that bounce candle. That almost 3% off out of Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin. That's a nice move. Like, that's a good. Hamid
Something was
says
coming. It
will go to
usually
84.
does
Yeah.
on this little move here. But you know, I like backwards cat right here. Dad told you YouTube wouldn't understand, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. Reaction is coming. It doesn't mean we're going to hold here. Of course, we all know that we're experienced, but you know, the reaction can be traded sometimes. And so, would you say 3% on that candle? At the moment, the 1 hour is engulfing. At the moment, 17 minutes left here. Probably keel over again.
It might. It may. Get dipping, boys. I'm gonna get some sound effects happening here. Where's the
Oh yeah, I can help you with that.
Where's that recent?
Hello?
I mean, this one's usually
Anybody?
like a bull market sound. I don't want to play the down down baby because that's like a copyright sound. But yeah. Actually, you know
Played
what?
out exactly the way I drew it, so.
I want to test if I get flagged for playing this sound effect. It might. I'll find out. I'll find out if that actually. Otherwise, I can turn the soundboard down while I stream, if that does flag. I think it needs to play for like more than 10 seconds. Let me Google that. I'm gonna Google that. How long does a song have to play before it breaches copyright on YouTube?
It gets tagged after 7.
See what AI thinks. There is no minimum time, such as 30 seconds, that a song can play on YouTube without breaching copyright. Even a few seconds or a single recognizable note can trigger a content ID claim. While shorter clips are less likely to be detected automatically, copyright holders can still issue claims for any amount of music used without permission. Content ID technology. YouTube's automated system can detect copyright music in clips as short as 3 seconds. There's no free duration. Contrary to popular belief, there is no legal rule of thumb allowing 5, 10, or 30 seconds of music. Fair use is a defense. Using a short clip does not automatically make it fair use. Fair use is a legal argument decided by a judge, not a set amount of time. Consequences using copyrighted music can result in ads being placed on your video with revenue going to the owner, muted audio, or copyright strike. Yeah. Okay. Well, you know, people review like official music online on YouTube. They have channels. They make money off these channels. They play music of artists like say Nelly, for example, right then. And they review the song. They go, oh, I like how he did this with his voice and these rhymes or whatever. And then if it's like a review, I think it's fair use. I'm not sure. But anyway. April 2025 low, March 2024 high. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Ooh, okay. It's peeling back a little, just a touch. 74.6. This stream has gone for an hour and 45. I'm just going to open up my stream on my phone so I can hear whether the soundboard even comes through at all, because it's in streamer mode, whatever that means. I think certain things get blocked or, like, you know, protected when you're in streamer mode. So that air horn definitely came through through the YouTube streams. So anytime I've had a copyright claim in the past, they give you a few options. They're like, do you want to mute that section of the video, which like is the part that has the copyright content in it, or replace it, or like delete the stream? Like there's all these different options you can pick to deal with the claim. And there's a copyright claim, and then there's a copyright strike. The strike is the one you want to avoid, because that basically demonetizes you and all the rest of it. Dude, I'm tempted to start. I mean, if I become more consistent with my YouTube channel and stream more often, it'd be cool to get that membership thing going, like where people can become a channel member and people can gift like memberships to, you know, the audience, that kind of thing. Just to like, yeah, not now, but like later down the track if I become more consistent and the channel's a bit bigger. We'll see.
Yeah, man.
Be kind of cool.
Yeah, you guys like that price action on that dip and rip?
Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. I think the bulls are trying to hold on here, or it's not so much just bulls. It's just I think this level is a popular level to buy just because it's such a macro retest, you know.
Yeah. Probably a good macro buy. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like if you look on here, if I zoom out a touch.
It looks right there.
Yeah, there's three good reasons. There's this reason here. There's that reason there. So I double topped back in 2024. Then when it got through it, it back checked it here. So that's 3. So yeah, it is definitely a good level to look for some kind of a long, even if it's just a trade. It becomes a lower high eventually before like fully correcting. But yeah, man, there's definitely a trade idea that lives in this area. And then if you're wrong, you just stop it out and you try again on the next dip. You're pretty big 10 viewers. Marty and Moog only have 38. Who are they? Marty and Moog. Are they crypto people?
Honestly, Rick, I don't think I've ever heard their names as far as crypto.
Yeah, I've never heard
And
of
I don't really
Marty.
follow a lot of. You know who I follow on YouTube? You.
Hey,
I watch you on.
That's nice. Appreciate it, bro.
You're my YouTuber. Yeah.
Get dipping, boys. Look at it. Ooh.
What a day.
Ooh.
It was just exciting all day. It was just crazy.
Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah. Hey, look, even if you bought this level here and sold it up here, that's still like 3%, dude. If you were on 100x, that's 300%. Let's say if you put 1,000 down on 100x down here and it went up 3%, you just made $3,000. That's pretty cool. I think that's how it works anyway. 100x is very risky though, of course. You're only allowed, what, less than 1% of error in your position that you take at 100x? It's like 0.8 or something percent? Can't quite remember. Let me check. Got it on my leverage table. Yeah, here we go. So 100x, no, not even. It's like half. You've only got 0.5% of error. 75x, 0.83% of error. 50x, 1.5% of error. So it only really gets like safe when you get kind of like 5x and below. But that's like the green zone. You know, you're kind of safe with that leverage. But yeah, you start getting a little dangerous as soon as you go 10, 20, 25, 50, you know. That amount of leverage is, yeah, you got to be pretty precise. But then again, it also depends on the pair that you're trading, because Bitcoin might be relatively safe with 2% error if you're scalping. So 25x is not that bad on Bitcoin. But if you take that to something like Mudeng or like Pepe or like or something that's really low market cap with lots of swings, you don't want it. You want way more than just 2% of error, because that sometimes you get a 1 minute candle that does 4% in a single minute. So you gotta be careful. You have to just dial it in to what pair you're trading. But yeah, the good thing is Bitcoin's still large enough to where every 1 minute candle is a fraction of a percent. So you should be relatively safe. Just to give you an idea, if you were on, let's say we were using 100% leverage. Let's say you went long right now, hypothetically. You get long here, you get liquidated on the red, on this line here, the second line. That's the liquidation for 100x leverage. So if you bought there, sold it there, it's roughly, that's how precise you have to be on Bitcoin. Let's track that. Let's track if someone FOMO'd right there at 100x. They'd be underwater right now. Let's say they were going for like a 2-to-1. So I think most people that go in at 100x are only using like $10, you know, or $20 or whatever they're prepared to just, you know, throw away, because the likelihood of getting it wrong and it liquidating is pretty high on 100x, so you definitely don't want to be using serious money going in straight away on 100x. That's gambling, basically. It's like throwing money into a slot machine. There is a strategy that I do like, that I've heard people talk about, and that is opening with a decent amount of money at, say, 2x or even 1x leverage, which allows a lot of room for error, right? 1x is huge. It's basically like it's just spot trading, basically 1x. There's no liquidation. But when the trade moves in the direction you were targeting, you increase the leverage in the trade, which means you're pulling your money out of the trade and you're replacing it with exchange money. So essentially you free up your capital and it becomes like almost like a free trade. It's not a free trade, but you follow me? You're increasing the leverage, you're pulling your money out so that you can go chase another trade. You bring your stop loss up once it's in, you know, a comfortable amount of profit. Now, only if it goes into profit do you increase the leverage. That's a very important point. It has to go up into profit before you can start, you know, increasing and changing the ratio. Just as an idea. But yeah, look, 100x, it's not really advisable to open positions at max leverage, like from the get-go, unless you're gambling, in my opinion. Or unless you're like a professional with lots of experience and you know what you're doing and you can cut it at the drop of a hat, or you know what you stand to lose. Never open a trade without understanding what you stand to lose if you're wrong. If you ever go into a trade and you're not prepared for downside, well then you've already lost, in my opinion. Like, you have to predefine the risk. You have to know what's at stake before going in my opinion. That will help you a lot, you know? Not only that, set targets as well. Have everything predefined before you even commit to the trade. Everything needs to be understood, and you need to have a good reason as to why you're doing it. And if you keep that up as like a behavior, if you repeat that behavior, you will have, like, now you've got a plan. Now you're trading with a plan, and it should benefit you over time, having that risk management in place. No longer will you be in bags that are in drawdown with you biting your nails every day and having trouble sleeping while you're in the trade. All that kind of stuff. I know we've all kind of been there before, if you've been around long enough in crypto. Hey Rick, let's call Static 3 times. He might have some magic info. I don't know if he's even in here. In the voice, nah, I think he's busy trading, to be honest. He's been scalping lately, which is kind of cool. Longing and shorting and all that. Seems like it's, what is it, dinner time in the US? No, it's afternoon. It's not even dark yet. It's like 3 p.m. New York time, 3:02. 6:02 a.m. here in Australia, East Coast in Brisbane. Yeah, I had a pretty ugly exit from the market. It wasn't like glamorous whatsoever. It was pretty bad. So back on the 10th of October last year, when we had that savage day, and I can see the candle right now, I stopped out of the positions that I had, and that was my exit from the market. Because when I got stopped out, I didn't want a revenge trade. I was like, I just got nailed for all this money. I'm out for now. I'm going to see how it pans out. And it just never climbed back. Once it lost that, 120 level, it's just been a downward spiral. Even this bear flag thing, that didn't convince me of any strength returning to the market whatsoever. Could it have? Like, I was ready and prepared to say, oh yeah, it's turning back on, but it didn't happen. So that's why I stayed out, and I have been out. I have started, just out of principle, I've already started cost averaging back into Bitcoin, but very lightly, only like $100 a buy. Like that's nothing, right? That's not going to do much, but it's just out of principle of starting a new commitment, a fresh commitment to collecting Bitcoin again, building up a position. And that's what this is all about. This if I just hide that line. This is when I bought it. And I'm talking Australian money, so that's even less, but it's $100 Aussie each time at each level. And as hypothetically, as we continue to crash or correct or whatever you want to call it, as the price continues to get cheaper, I'll eventually start adding 200 per buy, and then so on and so forth. So just like getting that weight as far down as possible to get this cost average line, which is the position, to get that as low as possible in preparation for the next bull market, essentially. That's the idea. This is what I was talking about back in 2022. If you go back in my streams, you'll see I was talking about DCAing like 4 years ago, whenever it was. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm just collecting it as it gets cheaper. Hopefully, I would love to see it go below 40. That would be pretty amazing. But I'll be buying heavy around 50s if it gets down there. If not, I'll just keep chipping away at it week by week and build up some kind of position. Actually, let's do that. Let's jump onto a macro chart. Bitcoin. Let's go daily chart. Obviously, this thing like outlines where all the highs and lows are and the halvings of the cycles. But I'm going to hide that for now. Now, just from memory, this is roughly where I was doing streams talking about dollar cost averaging. Like, you know, as it falls, as price was falling, I was talking about averaging in. I believe I had boxes drawn for different zones. I think this at the time was a zone. And then, you know, this became a zone. And then I had like, and the streams were roughly around this area about talking about the DCAing, because I got stuck. I was up here, back there. And I was talking about, okay, well, if this finds new lows, well, guess what? We got a new buy zone, and then another one if that fails. And the idea was to just keep buying and averaging in, and no matter what happens, I would be building a position. If it goes underwater, that doesn't matter when you're on spot and you're averaging into the market, because what you're doing is you're preparing for the recovery. And you know, obviously hindsight, that worked out, that strategy, right? Because that's in line with the crypto cycles. Let me go onto the weekly chart so I can get it all in on one screen. Go logarithmic as well. But you can see the cycles. It goes up, it corrects, it goes up, it corrects, up, corrected, up, corrected, up, and then we're looking at another correction. So with that in mind, it's like, okay, where are the buys and sells? Like, where do you accumulate it? Obviously at the dips. That's where the buying goes on. The sad thing is, around these buying dips, that is when retail's not interested in crypto. They're all interested when it comes up to the peaks, like into the euphoric highs. You know, that's probably where we all got involved in crypto, is at one of these high points. And we were the quote-unquote exit liquidity. So the people that, you know, bought in back in the bear markets were selling to us in the bull. But yeah, if you look at the rhythm of Bitcoin, sells and buys over time, this is macro. Where do you want to be, and where have you been? Like, were you buying the 2022 lows to take it into the... So this is what I was harping on about. So back in 22 rather, that's about as much information that we had on the chart. And there was already a clear rhythm there of highs and lows over time. So, you know, taking the gamble, or taking the chance, I won't say gamble because it wasn't gambling, but taking the chance of building a position into that rhythm turned out to be a wise way to go about it. Like, that was because it came up into a nice markup, and then I think it's repeating again. So I think it is, I would say it's probably a smart thing, or it's a safe thing to play this rhythm until proven wrong, you know what I mean? If we're wrong, like if it does come down and goes into a bear, and we've been DCAing down into it, and just crypto, like something happens and it breaks, then that's the chance you take. Like, nothing's ever guaranteed in markets. So, but do you really think Bitcoin's going below 20,000? You know, do you think it's over? Do you think it's going to get cancelled worldwide? I highly doubt it. I'm willing to put a lot of money into betting against that scenario, basically. Frame it that way. My bet, I'm putting my money in this rhythm carrying on. That's where my money is. So, not financial advice, just food for thought. So, relatively speaking, compared to the last bull market, which was that, that rounded out into a bear again. If you take this current bull market, it seems to be rounding, right? So relatively speaking, we're probably about here right now, trying to figure out if these floors, like these big high time frame floor, is going to hold, which is kind of like what's happening right now here. So it's like, do we get this section, which becomes, you know, up here like that? Do we get that kind of a corrective move and get down to like, say, 40, 30K, even 50? Like, I don't know. Who knows? That's the big question mark. But me averaging in already is because I don't know where the bottom is. That's why I want to get skin in the game, so to speak, just in case.
Well, DCA, man, you know, continuously. But you will, no matter what, find that bottom.
Right.
And you've set yourself.
So the purpose of DCA, in my opinion, Steve, is that it is when you admit that you don't know where the bottom is. Same thing for when you're taking profit. You don't know where the top is, so you're willing to take an average position, an average dollar cost averaging, right? Like, I don't know where the bottom of this market's going to go to, so I'm happy to take an average though. And to do that, one way to go about it is just chipping in a little bit each week, and eventually, you know, you might not hit the perfect low, but you're going to get somewhere near it with an average. So that's the whole purpose of DCA. I don't know any method that's better than that for investing than dollar cost average.
Right, as investing goes, it's the best.
It's the go-to.
Efficient.
Yeah.
And proven, you know, proven.
Yeah, it's proven.
And I like how Bitcoin's movements are, and I love that. Yeah, I would put everything I own in a leg on Bitcoin, you know, dying, not die. You know what I mean? You know, even talking about that is silly.
Oh yeah,
So,
like there's a high probability that it corrects, right? Yeah.
Yeah, dude. But what's the number? You know, at 50, I'm scared because, like, dang.
Sure, but
dang,
that's the thing.
Lower, you know.
In my opinion,
I'm sorry. It's where are we now? Like, is this my bottom? Yes. If I buy now and start to DCA and it continues, then it's my bottom.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. That's something I deal with.
That's the thing, man. Falling prices shouldn't make you fearful. They need to make you hungry. They need to excite you for buying, not make you scared of buying, in my opinion. I feel like there's a mixed opinion on that. Like, when markets fall, people start to get scared that it's broken or whatever. You gotta kind of flip that. Because people get their confidence when it grows and goes up in value, when it's getting all its attention. That's when people get confident and bring their money to the table when it's already, you know, at a premium. You have to flip that.
Well, other than day trading, day trading, brother, it's the only way. It's the only way to make money is to have purchased before. So you've brightened the light in my head, because DCA, I don't care if it's $1 or $1 million a week. Put it in an account. Call it a savings account. You're never gonna touch. And that's BTC. I have to start doing that. Little chips at a time. I was fearful of crypto. That's it. Until recent. As a long-term investment, feeling any safety, not having to check it, not caring.
Yeah, exactly. You just, like, don't focus on price and where you're at so much. If you've got the plan of, averaging in because you do think that crypto and Bitcoin will swing back up. Bitcoin, namely, right? Do you think Bitcoin will go into price discovery one day in the future? I think yes. You know, if you doubt it, well then you're kind of falling victim to the correction, right? But I do think, like, what would end Bitcoin? Like, I don't know, quantum computing attacks on the block, like that's kind of science fiction at the moment. Well, it's becoming kind of a reality, but I don't think that's a threat in the immediate future. Like, as in the next 5 years, I don't think quantum threat is gonna bring it to its knees. I don't think anything like that. So
They talk about it.
yeah, people try to FUD
They
it,
talk
but
about it, but
yeah,
they're the people who talk about it in scholarly articles that they're writing and analysts. They look into the 20-year future kind of thing.
Yes.
And
you know what's funny, man, is that the
it's also something
scholarly,
you should do.
the so-called scholarly experts even get it wrong, and it's funny when they get it wrong because it's like everyone looks to them for their opinion and advice, and they can be totally wrong. So that's the
They
beauty
are
of it.
wrong and wrong.
Yeah.
The same way we are.
Yeah.
Just
people
on
of
a
all
larger
walks.
scale.
Yep. Because essentially, it's a free market. It's an open and free market, and it can do whatever it wants. All it takes is someone with the money.
It starts with $1. You know, what's the only thing that could hurt the Bitcoin and the trading that we know in crypto would be the way that they have regulated the trading on the platform. So I think that's the only certain thing you should worry about change first. That's not too bad. You know, never have we been offered something like this with a leverage so large. It's beautiful. Not just hopes and wishes and talking about it. You got skin in the game, so it makes it okay to talk about it.
Yeah. Well, weekly Bitcoin. Yeah, I think. Where are we at? We're kind of sitting at 75k. Oh, look. Look at that cheeky position. That. So this one, if you had opened where I said, hypothetically, it would have stopped out. It wouldn't have stopped out. It would have liquidated anyone that opened at 100x at that level. See that? It pulled back, would have stopped them out, and now it's ripping. So isn't that cheeky?
Isn't it always?
It like went up to a nice consolidation, and anyone that, you know, recklessly went 100x there would have got liquidated there, and then the move happens. So it's like, maybe with positions, first of all, be buying some kind of a dip. That wasn't a dip. That was after all of these green candles. Like, definitely don't get in after a bunch of green candles. That's FOMO. And that's what that causes. It causes accidents, like bad accidents. Can you get lucky and be just getting in on a series of green? Yeah, but don't count on that. That's very dangerous. It's better to wait for pullbacks, you know. Get in on a pullback.
It's hard. It's hard.
It is hard, but you have to learn that muscle. I'm still trying to develop that. If I'm scalping, you know, you're scalping. You gotta be patient. Wait for the right movement. I think that's what stochastics are for. Definitely is because it shows you the rhythm of the local price action. You can see when it. Wait, let me get a stochastic.
You know,
stochastic RSI.
what about looking at the trades themselves coming in, the funding, and
Yeah.
When you follow those and you see that, you know, the greens are hitting huge numbers, that really on am I crazy, but does it react? like damn. Like textbook.
It would.
Am I just thinking?
Yeah. There's people that trade with those metrics in mind that have the visibility of that. But I'm down on the 1 minute on Bitcoin, and stochastically speaking, if that's a way to put it,
I don't
buying
even know what
stochastic. It's just this indicator, right? So, if you have a hard rule of not buying when the stochastics is up, that'll get you out of a lot of danger, a lot of bad positions. You know, you'll avoid buying silly spots of the chart. Like buying up here when the stochastic was elevated like this would have been stupid. Because look, pullback. You know, now let's flip it. Let's buy at the bottom of the stochastic, like down here, 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 and see where that translates on the chart. Like, does it make sense to buy in those spots? So here, not so much, because this was a bleed out. So, but at least you weren't buying a high point. This would have been a stop out, that would have been a stop out. Now this, yeah, there was a brief little, it tried to turn on. So you could even say that would have failed there. But look at these ones, like, that's not terrible. It had upside after it. Just remember, this is the 1 minute chart. But especially here, look at this. Look at that level there. Look at this level down here. These were nice little scalps on the stochastic. So it's like, how do you know when these stochastic dips aren't just going to be these bleeders where it doesn't go anywhere and you bought and it went lower? One way to couple this strategy is to use a moving average. So if you get an EMA and you just want to find what EMA length is going to give you, let's make this 20. Let's avoid going long if price is below the 20 EMA. And look, all of a sudden we've fixed these stupid positions because we're not going long when price is below the 200 EMA. We're only going to go long if price is above the 20 EMA on the 1 minute. See that? So look, you've got a system with corroboration, like it's corroborating the stochastic and an EMA. And right now we're actually ripping, so you can hear the BAMs. So that's cool. So look, now all of a sudden these dips are working as entries. Like these stochastic dips actually make sense because you're above this EMA here. You could even change that. You could probably like. See, don't be afraid to play around with EMA lengths as well. In my opinion, look, just something that gives you visibility of like, is price above average or is it below average? I don't want to go long on something that's performing below average. That's terrible. That's a shit idea. Like, you know.
I do know. It's just talk. You know,
This is the
it's
magic.
hard to live by the words, though.
It is hard.
Because you're like, I'm gonna get. There's no way that I can't see what I'm seeing right now because I'm seeing it. So you don't even. That's me, but I'm novice as of today.
Now
yesterday and the day before.
Check this out though. So we know that it's a shit idea to go long when price is below average. When price is performing below average, you want to look for shorts. So how do you look for shorts on the stochastic? Well, you look at it when the stochastic is hot. Like, okay, it's hot here, right? And it's hot here. And it's hot here, the stochastic. And it's hot here. See what I mean? So all these moments of heat on the stochastic while it's while it's under the moving average are potential short. So if you went short here, because I'm just lining up the stochastic with the price, short here, and short here. Like, these were all successful scalps, because look at the result. Obviously you can see that.
I'm trying to load the screen. It seems to not load right now for me.
Really?
Yeah, it keeps going in and out. It just kicked me out of the cord too, so hang on.
It's cool. Well, it's on YouTube's. But yeah, this is a bonehead way to trade. That this is very basic, but it's something. At least it's something. At least you're not blind. You can do this for free too. You don't need a TradingView subscription to look at the stochastic RSI and put up an EMA. Like, that's just two indicators that help with some kind of scalp strategy. So look at that. I mean, you can close those shorts when the stochastic crosses back up. You know, that can be your close. Like when it hooks back up. And then obviously you're doing your classic. You're still doing your classic stop loss. You know, and you set the take profit. You can do all that. You can couple it up with that, and that'll keep you out of trouble. Because obviously no method is bulletproof. No method is going to be 100% hit rate. And that's why we have stop losses. Like, that's why you set a stop. But yeah, I think that should pretty much describe it. At least that's one strategy to scalp. Stochastic and moving average strategy.
Yeah, dude. I am silly to have ask this right now. To be asking this right now. Come on, talk, Steven. SAR. I feel like it should be. So, you know, that with the EMA, I remember looking at this. You know what? Until you get on these small time frames and put some lev on your money, do you really learn it? Do you really learn it? Because,
a little bit of levity.
Because it means lev. Hey, man, too much lev in this
Get some
world
lev in your life.
And, when it's almost not lagging, I remember. Yeah.
So that poll that I put up, I said, where is Bitcoin going? Up from here or down from here? 15 people voted. 67% of the voters think that it's going up. So a majority of people think it's going up. Yeah. They have been correct to this point. So well done. I'm going to end that poll. That's like about.
And that was in the group.
Yeah, that was in the YouTube stream chat.
Oh, okay.
My YouTube channel. YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. I didn't know we were streaming.
Yeah, there you go. That's all right.
It's a good tell to get, but more people are gonna want it to go up. Want it. Keyword.
Yeah, retail always wants upside. Usually, that's usually.
That's a feeling of the day. Yep. Oh man. This it's a whole new light looking at these charts with leverage. Just period.
Well, it's been 2.5 hours this live stream, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. Thanks guys for tuning in. I will catch you on the next one. Shouldn't be too much further on. If something, like I say at the end of every other stream, if something exciting happens, I'll probably be up to chuck a stream on, just like with today, how we came down to this new low here. But yeah, thanks again. Catch you in the next one. Have a good night. Have a good day, wherever you are.
Bimbo with the crypto.
Bye.